What up, everybody? Pitmaster Daniel Hammond here, Smoky Soul Barbecue, Chicago. Hey, I'm really excited that I get to be a part of this wonderful company. I've been a part of several companies, still am a part of several companies as a brand ambassador and an affiliate, but I'm really excited about this one because it's very near and dear to my heart. You guys know how I feel about Chicago. You know what Chicago is for me and for my barbecue and what it represents. I've been blessed with being able to become a part of other companies who have embraced me in open arms, but this one is dope. So I'm here to announce that I am an official culinary partner with Fire and Smoke Barbecue. This is a Chicago-based company, and you all know Smoky Soul Barbecue Chicago is all about my city, baby. So they sent me something, and I'm gonna share it with you, all right? So you see it. All right, let's put the books away. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing. And see what kind of goodies they sent me. By the way, Happy New Year. Let's kick it off what they sent first. We got the Old Town Original Barbecue Sauce. That's dope. I can't wait to use that. Note that most of the stuff that they do are named after different neighborhoods here in Chicago. Old Town's one of my favorite spots to hang out in, and I love going over there to chill and smoke cigars and things like that. So yo, this is dope. We got some rubs. Okay, looks like we got a sticker. Pork and beef. Pork and beef. I love it. Okay, we got a sticker. We have the Griller Starter Pack, which is the Estes Avenue, the Shiitake, and the Classic. These are the rubs they have for me. Just some of them. Let's see here. The Estes Avenue is a burger seasoning. The Shiitake is a steak rub, and it looks like the Classic is an all-purpose. So I'm gonna put these right here. All right, let's see what else they got for me. It's a thank you and welcome to the family. Shout out to Amanda and Mikey. It's a thank you card, welcome to the family. Awesome, I cannot wait to do a lot of cooking with your products, guys. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Thank you for having me on. All right, we got more rubs here. This one is called Sits Corners. Let's take them out of the container here. This one's called Sits Corners. This one's called Second City. You guys know how that's the name of my other project I'm working on, Second City. Chicago is the second city. You guys know the deal. And this one is called Windy City. Yeah. So it looks like Windy City is a barbecue rub. Second City is a sweet barbecue rub, and Sits Corners is a brisket rub. I'm gonna hold on to this one. Fire and Smoke, let me tell you something. Brisket is one of my specialties, and I would be honored to use your brisket rub for my brisket going here forth. So I'm gonna try this out, and actually on YouTube, guys, I'm gonna do my brisket video, my prime rib video. I might do them all at once, but I'm definitely gonna do the brisket video for YouTube. Sits Corners is gonna be right there for that brisket. We're gonna use this. Okay, let me see here. Let's open that up. We got all of that right there. Great branding on this, straight honest. Let's see if we got anything else down here deep in the, what's going on now? I can't get down. What's going on? I think that is it for now. Now I have to pick up all this mess off my floor because I'm being silly. All right, so this is everything pretty much that they sent me to start off with. I'm really excited. I'm gonna have a video ready and going for each one of these seasonings. And I look forward to trying new things. I'm thinking a good baby back rib might work for this. I cannot wait. The shiitake steak rub, I got some ideas for that. Maybe we could do some tacos or something like that. I don't know yet. I haven't made a choice. Burger seasoning, you already know. I got the griddle outside. We're gonna do some smash burgers, all right? And for the classic all-purpose, maybe some chicken, some potatoes. There's so many different things you can do with this. I can't wait. I can do more than just barbecue meats. I cook, all right? So thank you so much for having me on board Fire and Smoke Barbecue. I'm really excited. I'm really ready to start cooking, and I can't wait to create this great content for you guys. So everybody be on the lookout for the content. Be on the lookout for the new recipes. I got some great stuff going on in 2025. Shout out to Fire and Smoke Barbecue. I'ma holla at y'all later, all right? Peace.